was Too Bad of Things there. I know I can't help it. I know I love the things. That's why I shoved two on back to back. Right, I see we're on Hanky Park Radio, California, USA. Let's go to another Salford band. Yes, Hanky Park. Took you for granted.
I'm passing you over skies, and I wonder if I'll ever see you again. What can I do? So in love with you, and I know that our lives have passed us by. What can I do? I'm so in love with you. Maybe we can get together now. Or am I passing like the time? I wonder if we can fly together now. I wonder why, I wonder if we can fly so very high. What can I do? I'm so in love with you. Now I need you more than ever. Oh, I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. Won't you come fly with me? Won't you try and comfort me? Don't leave me out. No, no, don't leave me be. How I need you to care for me, though I know that I know it won't ever be, won't ever be. Guess we'll have to wait and see. Now I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. Won't you come fly with me?
That was Hanky Park. James Shinny Davenport got some great tunes. Check him out on YouTube. I'm telling you what, all the bands that we've played tonight, well, apart from where we kicked off with Kirsty McCall, have all been indie bands, and that's why we set this station up, the Sounds of Salford, to get indie bands right out there to the world. Luckily, people have enjoyed our taste, and you've supported us in the droves, and we've already topped the world Podomatic charts in America, and it doesn't really get much better than that for us, for being a little station from Salford, Old England. You know, it really is great. I'm going to come to another Salford band now, and they're called Deaf to the Strange. They have a great sound, like I said earlier on in the show, when I put the moods on. They recently sold out the Ritz, and there was 900 there, and there wasn't a record producer in sight. What's all that about, we ask ourselves here on the Sounds of Salford. We're not liking things like that, but what we are liking is Deaf to the Strange. And here's one of the songs, Open Shore Blues.
You stay away, don't want you. You silly money, or you cook of anti-social disease. I'm tired of shouting at you, holy Moroni, would you get your bags and give me some peace? We had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but why should I defend you? Just go away, don't want you. Holy Moroni, bony, lonely, rock and rolly disease. I'm tired of shouting at you, holy Moroni, would you get your bags and give me some peace? We had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but we're dependent on you. Then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but why should I defend Just go away, don't want ya. You silly money, or you cook with anti-social disease. Thinking you're funny.